Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check Betterment Mark's easy guide. Open your Betterment account and sign in, then go to the Activity or Statements page and choose the relevant date range. Use filters to show adjustments or marks, then examine each marked transaction line by line. Compare amounts, timestamps, and descriptions to your trade confirmations, and flag any differences so you can follow up with support efficiently. Start by filtering your transactions to find adjustments and corrections quickly. Look for labels such as fee, adjustment, or correction beside trade entries and open each one to see details. Pay attention to timestamps, amounts, and the reason field when present, and jot down any unexpected values. This gives you a clear list of items to verify against confirmations before escalating issues to support. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy guides. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money. The simple path to wealth makes personal finance approachable and fun, and it pairs nicely with improving your portfolio checks. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. When verifying, always cross-check a marked transaction with your trade confirmation or bank record to confirm amounts and dates. Capture screenshots and write concise notes explaining the discrepancy so you can communicate clearly with support. If you see repeated errors with similar characteristics, treat that as a pattern and include it in your report to help speed resolution and prevent future issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.